So in this video we'll be learning about the basics of for loop in Python. So I guess you guys know about the definition of loop. Let me redefine it. Loops are just a set of statements which repeat a certain block of code until and unless a certain condition is satisfied. We have three different types of loops in Python. The first one is for loop, while loop and do loop, and in this video we'll be covering about the basics of for loop. So now let's see a general example of for loop. For I in range, let's print numbers from 0 to 9, semicolon, then print the value which are inserted in I, values from 0 to 9. This is a general example for loop in Python. We have already studied about different data types in Python like list, tuples and dictionaries, and in Python loop we can pass those lists, tuples and dictionary data types as well. So let's see an example by passing a list value in for loop. So let's first create a list variable, that may be list1 equals list from range of 0 to 10. So we have now created a list variable. Let's check the value of list1. See here, this is the value of list variable. Now let's pass this list variable in the for loop. We do it like this: for I in list1 print I. See here, so this block of code has successfully printed the values which are stored in the list1 list data type variable. So now let's pass tuple object inside for loop. Let a variable tup1 equals, let's check the value of tup1. So here we have created a tuple variable. Now let's pass the tuple variable, tuple object in the Python for loop. For I in tuple variable 1 print I. Sorry, mistake. Print I. See here, we have now successfully printed the values which were inside the tuple1 tuple variable. So as I said before, we can pass different type of objects in Python loop like lists, dictionaries and tuples as well. We have seen the example of passing list variable in Python for loop and the method of passing tuple variable in for loop as well. Now let's see the process of passing dictionary variable or dictionary object in the Python for loop. Let us first create a dictionary variable, dict1. The dictionary1 variable may be equal to 0 to 6. We now have created a dictionary variable. First let us check the value of dictionary1 variable. This is the value of dictionary1. Now let's pass the dictionary1 variable in the for loop. That's done like this: for I in dict1 print I. See here, we successfully have transferred or passed the value of dictionary1 object in the Python for loop. So this is the basic thing you need to learn about Python for loop. Before ending this tutorial, let me explain a final thing about for loop. That is, we can use step value. That is, we can pass step value or incrementation value in Python for loop. So let's see an example. See here, we have an output of this. Now let's check the output by using a step value of 2. So in Python for loop, we have to write the initial value that is to be printed, then the final value, and then the step value. So let's check the output here. So check the output here. Before we had output at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, but we now have output with a gap of 2 in there. That means step value does print the next value by adding the specified step value that is given in the for loop block. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.